Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle to make even the smallest progress? It's not luck, talent, or circumstance that sets them apart. It's the power of attention. Attention is more than just a mental skill. It's a force that can shape your reality and transform your life. Today, we'll explore how harnessing the power of attention can help you focus on what truly matters and lead you to a life filled with purpose, success, and fulfillment. In our fast paced world, distractions abound. Social media notifications, constant emails, and the barrage of daily tasks can scatter our minds, making it difficult to concentrate on what is truly important. But imagine, for a moment, a life where you can direct your focus with precision. A life where your attention is not pulled in a million different directions but is laser focused on your goals and passions. This is not a far-fetched dream. It is entirely possible by understanding and utilizing the power of attention. Attention is like a flame. When scattered, it provides little light or warmth, but when concentrated, it can illuminate and heat at an extraordinary level. The first step in harnessing your attention is to recognize its value. Every moment you spend in focused attention is a moment invested in building the reality you desire. By understanding the power of attention, you take control of where your mental energy flows. To begin with, it's essential to identify the priorities in your life. What are the things you truly want to achieve? What are the goals that resonate with your deepest desires? Once you have a clear understanding of your priorities, you can direct your attention towards them. This clarity acts as a roadmap, guiding your focus and ensuring that your efforts are aligned with your aspirations. Next, consider the environment in which you operate. Our surroundings have a significant impact on our ability to concentrate. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. By creating an environment conducive to focus, you can enhance your ability to maintain attention. This might mean reorganizing your workspace, eliminating unnecessary distractions, or setting specific times dedicated to focused work. Small changes in your environment can lead to significant improvements in your attention span. Another crucial aspect is managing your time effectively. Time is one of our most valuable resources, and how we choose to spend it determines the quality of our lives. By planning your day and allocating specific periods for focused work, you can ensure that your attention is directed towards tasks that matter. This might involve using time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, which breaks work into intervals with short breaks in between. This method can help maintain high levels of concentration and prevent burnout. Mindfulness is also a powerful tool in harnessing attention. By staying present in the moment, you can fully engage with the task at hand. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can train your mind to remain focused. These practices not only enhance your attention, but also reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Taking a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness can have a profound impact on your ability to concentrate. In addition to mindfulness, physical well-being plays a crucial role in attention. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are foundational to maintaining high levels of focus. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, improving cognitive function and concentration. It might seem simple, but taking care of your body can significantly enhance your mental clarity. One must also be aware of the digital temptation. Technology is both a boon and a bane for attention. While it provides tools for productivity, it also brings about distractions. It's important to set boundaries with technology. This could mean turning off notifications during work periods, designating specific times to check emails, or using apps that limit your time on social media. By controlling your digital environment, You guard your attention against unnecessary distractions. Support from people around you can also influence your attention. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and inspire you. The company you keep should reflect and support your goals. Engaging in meaningful conversations and collaborations can stimulate your mind and encourage you to maintain your focus. Having a supportive network creates an energy that propels you towards your aspirations. Another important element is gratitude. Cultivating a habit of gratitude can transform the way you perceive your life and the tasks you undertake. By appreciating the opportunities and abilities you have, you can shift your focus from what is lacking to what is possible. Gratitude opens up a positive outlook that nurtures concentration and motivation. Setting clear intentions is vital. An intention acts as a bridge between your desires and actions. By setting daily, weekly, or even hourly intentions, you create a clear path for your attention to follow. This practice helps in aligning your actions with your goals, ensuring that your focus is directed towards meaningful pursuits. Reflecting on your intentions regularly keeps you on track and prevents your mind from wandering. The power of self-reflection should not be underestimated. Taking time to reflect on your progress and the effectiveness of your attention strategies can provide valuable insights. This could involve journaling, having a quiet moment of introspection, or discussing your thoughts with a mentor. Reflection helps in understanding what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your approach and enhance your focus. Failure is a part of the process. It's important to understand that there will be times when your attention slips, and that's okay. Instead of being discouraged, view these moments as opportunities for growth. Each slip-up is a chance to learn and improve. By maintaining a positive attitude towards failure, you can keep your focus strong and resilient. Visualization is another powerful technique. By vividly imagining your goals and the steps needed to achieve them, you create a mental blueprint for success. Visualization helps in reinforcing your focus and making your goals feel more tangible. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your success and the actions you need to take. This practice can significantly enhance your concentration and motivation. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Challenges and obstacles are part of any worthwhile pursuit. Instead of seeing them as interruptions, view them as opportunities to strengthen your attention and problem-solving skills. Overcoming challenges requires focus and determination, and each success reinforces your ability to concentrate on your goals. Reading and continuous learning can also boost your attention. Engaging with new ideas and expanding your knowledge keeps your mind active and sharp. Reading, whether it's books, articles, or research papers, stimulates your brain and enhances your ability to focus. By making learning a part of your daily routine, you invest in your cognitive abilities and attention span. Incorporating creativity into your life can have a positive impact on your focus. Engaging in creative activity stimulates different parts of your brain and can lead to a more balanced and agile mind. Whether it's painting, writing, or playing a musical instrument, creative pursuits can enhance your attention by providing a mental break and allowing your mind to recharge. Self-discipline is key. The ability to consistently direct your attention despite distractions and temptations is a skill that requires practice. Self-discipline involves making conscious choices that align with your goals. This might mean saying no to certain activities or committing to a daily routine that promotes focus. By practicing self-discipline, you strengthen your ability to maintain attention. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledging and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, boosts your motivation and reinforces your focus. Recognize the effort you've put in and the strides you've made towards your goals. Celebrations don't have to be grand. Even a simple acknowledgement can fuel your determination and encourage you to keep going. Balance is crucial. While focus is important, it's equally essential to allow yourself time to rest and recharge. Overworking can lead to burnout, which hampers your ability to concentrate. Incorporate breaks and leisure activities into your routine. This balance ensures that your mind remains fresh and capable of sustained attention. Set clear boundaries to protect your attention. Whether it's with work, family, or social commitments, having clear boundaries ensures that your focus remains intact. Communicate your needs and limitations to those around you. By setting expectations, you create an environment that supports your concentration. Understanding the science behind attention can also be empowering. Attention is a cognitive process involving various parts of the brain. By learning about how attention works, you gain insights into how to optimize it. There are numerous resources available, including books and online courses that delve into the neuroscience of attention. Educate yourself and apply this knowledge to enhance your focus. Motivation and intention go hand in hand. Your motivation fuels your intention, and your intention directs your attention. Find what drives you and use that motivation to set clear intentions. Whether it's personal growth, career success, or relationships, understanding your motivation helps in maintaining focus and achieving your goals. Practice patience. Developing the ability to focus is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself and understand that progress takes time. Each small step forward is a victory. Consistently apply the techniques and strategies we've discussed, and over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your ability to concentrate. Embrace simplicity. Sometimes less is more. Simplifying your life and tasks can enhance your focus. Identify what's essential and eliminate the unnecessary. This minimalistic approach directs your attention to what truly matters and reduces the mental burden of dealing with too many things at once. The power of attention is real and attainable. By recognizing its value, creating a conducive environment, managing your time, practicing mindfulness and gratitude, reflecting on your progress, embracing challenges, learning continuously, and celebrating your achievements, you can harness your attention and shape your reality. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are profound. Live with intention, focus on your goals, and watch your dreams unfold. The power to shape your reality lies within you, in the force of your attention.